Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy spike in sentiment with a score of plus 0.05, coupled with a momentum increase of plus 0.10 over the past 24 hours. This is particularly interesting when you consider that sentiment around the world has been unusually stable recently. This uptick indicates the shift in collective sentiment that could be tied to emerging global events or trends. When you query our API, it returns not just the sentiment score, but also contextual insights, including semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind the data. For instance, if you're developing a news aggregation tool, this spike could signal a pivotal moment for content curation, helping you surface the most relevant articles based on changing sentiment. To dive deeper into this data and enhance your projects, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.